for my vlog. It's gonna be the, here we go. Finally, huh? About a week. What I did is I took some of that black paint there and I installed it on that so I could or seal the holes. Actually is what my plan is. Let's get that nut. Put that the center bolt in. Go, and I don't have to worry about toppling over on me. There we are. It is semi-installed. Shouldn't go anywhere now. I'll just get my side bolts in. These got little sealers on it. I think I'm gonna hit it with the rubber. Hit it with the rubber paint. That'll hold it into place. Start my screw holes. There we go. There's one. Touching the front side hose. Come on. Line up. No, trying to work around crazy. Hook up there. Uh-oh. That ain't cool. It's gonna rain on me. What the heck? Seriously? I can't get screwdriver around that. What the heck? I want to install it, now you're gonna rain on me. What the? Jeez Louise. Don't you dare, I got a big old cloud over my head here. Here. Man. Never freaking fails, does it, when I do anything. Ah! Drop. Okay. Seriously? Oh my word. Come on. Ay, ay, ay. Yep, it's coming down. All day. And now you want to rain on me. Oh, hurry up. Hit it tight. Oh, I never see the beat of it. My luck. I never see the beat of it. Anytime I want to do anything. These outside ones aren't a big deal because it just goes right down in here. You know what really makes a difference? Ouch! Ah! Is that one? Ain't that something? It has to rain just as I'm putting it on.
Did it ruin it?
No, no. Oh! Of course, I got my windows down. Hey, who? That looks good from the rear, just like it is, huh?
That is sharp.
I like it.
I'm sorry, honey. My car's prettier.
Yeah, I think she likes that. I just need to get that center one done. I think that's a 10. Okay. Real quick, I need to get that tight. I don't want water getting in the trunk anymore. I'm going to have it in there when I go tighten it. Now, ideally, I should have rubber. I should have a little rubber under it, but I don't have any at the moment. So there we go. The mud gets unwashed from it. There it goes. It'll look sharp. I don't need if she needs a hood. Hood scoop later. Next step is to get after the rust on the doors. We got to get the right matching paint because it's a they say it's a three tone on that. So anyway, there we go. I like it. Yeah, it's naked without spoilers. Gotta have spoilers on them. Anyway. Alright. Takes care of that. It's been a long evolution here, but it's the way it goes. If you're gonna make it look sharp, you gotta take the time to do it. So, alright, so that's basically the conclusion to that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And we'll catch you on the next Project Stang.